Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my current go-to makeup look. This look is really easy to create and it's great because it's neutral and it definitely has some shimmer in it, so it's definitely a little bit glam, and it's perfect for transitioning into the summer and the warmer months, and it looks beautiful on tan skin as well. This look can also be worn like during the day or at night. It's definitely not just a daytime look. And I will go ahead and link all of the products that I use here today down below in the description box so that you can easily find them. So let's go ahead and get started. So for primer today, I'm going to be using this Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer. I have not tried this yet, but I wanted to try it out and see how it works. Normally I'm not particular about primers. This one is like a tinted primer, so we'll see how this one works. It has a very funky scent to it. It's almost smells like a medical product or something strange, but maybe it works good. We'll see how it works. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick. This is really good. I do like it because it's like a very quick and easy application, and it gives your skin like a very hydrated look. Today I'm going to be using the shade Y245. For concealer today, I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to be mixing the light medium shade and the light sand shade because I'm kind of in between these two shade ranges when my skin is a little bit on the pale side. I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with the Flower Beauty sponge. I also use the concealer as a primer for my eyes. So to set my face, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. This stuff is amazing. It literally makes your pores invisible and you don't get like the flashback. To do under my eyes, I like to use a tapered brush. So for bronzer and contour, I'm going to use the NYC Smooth Skin Sunny Bronzer. Now to bronze up my face further, I'm going to be using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Mine is in just the regular shade, not the light shade. For blush today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Blush Palette, and these are the shades from the light palette. I like to mix this shade and this shade. For highlight today, I'm going to be using Becca Champagne Pop. So my eyes are all primed and ready to go. Moving on to the eyes now, I am going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics, the Bronze Palette. And I'm going to be going in with my favorite shade of the palette, which is this shade right here, and it is called Citrine. I'm going to be using this as my crease and transition shade. And I'm just applying that all over my crease and and transition area in windshield wiper motions, and then in little circles, and I'm just trying to get that nice shape to define the outer edge of my eye. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. So now that the transition is nice and laid down, I am going to move on to the lid. For the lid shade, I'm going to be using this top color right here. It is in the shade Quartz. And I'm just gonna apply that with my finger today. So I put it right on my finger and then just kind of lightly, gently tap it on to my eyelid and massage it in. And then the same thing on the other side. So now that that portion is done, I like to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible, and this one is in the shade Amber Rush. It is the most beautiful, like amber, like golden shade. And I just like to apply that with my ring finger, and I just kind of put my finger in there and then just lightly kind of dab it on to the lid just to give your lid more of like a pop of color. And I even like to like massage it into the crease area. This is enough glitz for you. You can totally leave it like this. Sometimes I do, but I like to really kick it up a notch, and I like to use the ColourPop Supernova shadows. And my favorite one that I've been loving lately is this one in the shade Walk of Fame. And I just gently dab it directly over where I put down my lid shadow, just to really give it like that extra pop of sparkle. So for the brow bone shade today, I am going to be going in with this first shade right here, and it is called Topaz. So I mostly did my eyebrows off camera today, but I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I am in the shade medium brown, and I'm just gonna kind of fill in any sparse areas. And to set my brows in place, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Brow Plumper. I am in the shade medium dark. For mascara today, I'm going to be using L'Oreal's Voluminous Base Primer. Directly on top of that, I'm going to go in with L'Oreal's Original Voluminous Mascara. Now to further separate and lengthen my lashes, I'm going to be going in with L'Oreal's Telescopic in Carbon Black. For liner today on my lower lash line, I'm going to be using Rimmel's Scandal Eyes. This is in the black coal shade. I'm just going to put that on my waterline. So So for my lips, I am going to be using a Real Her lip liner in the shade I Am Precious. Directly over top of that, I'm going to be going in with a L'Oreal Infallible paints in the shade Tongue Tied. As a lip topper today, I'm going to be using Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss, and this one is in the shade Rose Quartz. So to set my face today, I'm going to be going in with Milani's Make It Last. So this is the completed look. I will go ahead and link all the products that I used in today's video down below so that you can easily find them. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.